Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is my first video today. So let's make something sweet as we always do when we celebrate. I'm going to make Seero, which is also known as Aate Ka Halwa. We call it Seero in Sindhi. It takes hardly few minutes to make with few basic ingredients. So let's proceed to make Seero. These are the ingredients for making Seero. You can check out the quantity here in the list. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, you can add the crushed cardamoms to it. When the cardamoms give out a nice aroma, add the flour. Now stir with a spatula on medium flame. Keep stirring continuously. You will see the color is starting to change slowly. Continue doing so on medium flame. Don't increase the flame. We need to get a nice golden brown color. Now it is done. This is the color we are looking for. Now we can add water. I am adding 1/4 cup of water first, mixing it immediately so that there are no lumps formed. If you want a softer consistency, you can add couple of tablespoons more. Now is the time to add sugar. After adding sugar, stir it well until the sugar melts. Keep stirring. Now you can see the sugar has completely melted and the color of Seero is also nice dark and brown, rich in color. There's a lovely aroma coming too. Now the Seero is ready. We are going to dish it out and garnish with nuts before serving. So friends, hope you liked my video. Do share it with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.